Welcome, online students. Good to see you all. We are making slab vessels today, slab vessels. And my trusty assistant is going to demonstrate how to make slab vessels. So the first thing we're going to do is kind of wedge the clay a little bit. Awesome. And now we're going to make it flat. So just like we did last week for our themed tiles, we're going to make clay flat. So she's starting out by making it kind of like a pancake. And the better pancake you can make, the flatter pancake you can make is better. And she might slap it down on the board a little bit. That flattens it out as well. And at some point she's going to roll it out. So grab your dowels, grab your rolling pin, and start rolling it out. Obviously making sure to keep the rolling pin on the dowels and roll all the way out, all the way out. When you're done, you're gonna have this kind of oblong looking shape, which is totally fine. You can at times, if you want to turn it sideways and do this, you can at times turn it sideways and you can roll it out again to get it a little bit bigger. But you'd have to do that before you got too thin on the dowels. Awesome. So now we are going to make a vessel. And what you want to make is like a rectangle. You want to make a rectangle to get a good shape for a vessel. So using your needle tool, and you can use a ruler or you can use your dowels. These work just as well to lay it down and cut along it. And there we go. There is our nice slab. And when she rolls it together, we now have a vessel. At this point, we need to score. And really good scoring. So on the edge, while she's doing that, I'm going to talk about scoring. Let me grab a needle tool. Scoring is when you take your clay and you really dig deep into the side of the piece that you are trying to attach from one onto the other. And you kind of go in both directions and you get it scored really deep. You'll add some water to it and then you'll attach it to a piece which has already been scored. So that's what she's doing. She's, did you add some water? We're gonna borrow this real quick. So come close, James. So she's scored it, she's adding some water to it. And she's now pushing it together, kind of making it one piece now. She's going to spend some time pushing it together. She's going to spend some time smoothing and all that sort of thing. In our next video, we're going to talk about adding a bottom to it. And then we're going to do a third video today where we talk about adding clay like a handle, doing texture and design and that sort of thing. All right? All right.